Alright, today's project is a, what is it? What's the car?
It's a BMW 325i. It's a 2002.
What we're gonna do, oh you can't see, but he wants it straight piped. And a place charged him like 150 bucks to do it or something. So I was saying we can just hacksaw it and call it a day. But what we're gonna do is first cut this resonator slash muffler thing off and see how that's gonna sound. And if we don't like that, if it's not loud enough, we're just gonna go all the way to the first muffler and cut it, and then pipe it to the side.
Pipe it up! Pipe it up!
You think I'll let my battery move?
3, 2, 1.
You ready for the incision?
Got it?
Yeah. You don't have a stabilizer.
So what is that?
Your stabilizer link is loose.
Oh, that's why I've been hearing that rattling when I stop.
Oh my god, dude. What? It just, look.
So what does that mean?
You think I'll let my battery move?
Oh! First in the house.
Look at that. Shoot.
Yeah, Bob. You wanna try it?
Oh shoot, yo.
I was taking the exhaust off, and his stabilizer bar, it's just down, dingling around.
My dingling! My dingling!
So we're gonna have to tighten that up tomorrow. Find the right bolts and stuff. But for now, I'm gonna zip tie it and call it a day. Ooh.
Okay, it's mad at me now.
How'd you like it? How'd you like it?
Dude, that thing,
Here you go.
you are a miracle worker. Yo, this guy's A1. Yo, I didn't expect that.
So tomorrow, when we get more time,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 2 bendy pipes on here and bring it out all the way, just so it's not throwing hot vaporizers under your bumper and stuff.
I got you, I got you.
But for now, dude, you're mint.
Bruh,
All right, let's put the wheel back on and take a rip.
this, yeah. Bruh.